Happy Thanksgiving weekend, everybody. First winter storm of the season. And you know what? It's going to be a major winter storm for a lot of areas up in New England, especially Catskills, Massachusetts. I think you're going to see some amounts that are close to 2 feet up here, actually, when it's all said and done. But let's dive into what I'm expecting because it's a very tricky forecast for this area right here. There's a lot of potential for this to go either way right now. So let's dive in, see what's going on. Right now, just to give you an idea, our storm system's actually out here central part of the country. It's going to run into high pressure and be forced to redevelop off the New Jersey coast. Because we have a storm that's redeveloping, what's going to happen is the models struggle to handle exactly where's that low pressure going to redevelop, what's the exact magnitude, how strong it's going to be, and that really has a big a big impact on water precipitation. So let's start off here. Sunday morning, because this is Sunday morning through Monday. It's a very long duration event. Very cold out there. So what's going to happen is as the precipitation moves in, you're going to see a quick burst of sleet and probably some snow in northern New Jersey late Sunday morning. So don't be surprised if it's snowing pretty hard out for a brief period of time up here on Sunday morning. Down here, a lot of freezing rain in Pennsylvania. This has been a big concern of mine last couple of days. I think there's going to be some big icing issues out here. South I-78, guys, not a big deal Sunday. I really think this is going to be mostly rain after a brief period of sleet. And as we get into later Sunday afternoon and Monday, notice just the all-out snowstorm rocking up here in Massachusetts and New York. So they really never change over up here. And this is going to really dump some accumulation. So now let's get to the main piece of this forecast. So if you notice, initially here, the low's out here to the west. Now you're going to notice the lows start to redevelop off the coast. This whole forecast comes down to when this low redevelops, is it strong enough, is it far south enough to bring this wraparound band of snowfall back into northeastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey? If it does that, then my map will verify. If it does not do that, oh, this is going to be 1 to 3 inches, maybe 2 to 4 max, even all the way up to extreme southern New York here. So there is bust potential, and I'm very cautious right now to see how this evolves through tomorrow because I think this storm's going to still throw us some curveballs. But here you go. Here's that band that needs to develop. All that snowfall, that 6+ inches I have up here, is on this back end band. Now, to give you timing, this is Monday morning. So Sunday, that initial wave comes through, changes to some rain. It stays all ice, by the way, northwestern Jersey. It's not going below freezing, guys. And then there might be a little lull, and then that back end band has to pivot around. This is all garbage. This isn't really snow. It's this band. Is this band going to stay long enough over our area, or is this whole thing going to shift more to the northeast? So I'm very concerned that could happen. We have to see what happens overnight. But for now, I think for the most part, this is a major winter storm. Starts Sunday morning, really gets cranking for our area, potentially late Sunday night, early Monday morning, if everything comes to fruition. But regardless, south of I-78, don't expect much. Maybe a few inches on the back end if we get lucky. But northern New Jersey, just off the coast, this is the area where it's make or break. And I'm going to try to hone in and give some more resolution on this map tomorrow. You have to split the difference on this and move some things around. But that's my thoughts for now. Thanks for checking in. The winter of 2020, or 2019-2020, is underway.